Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I got Wet n Wild Wasa Be With You, Sista Chic, Lacquer, Carnival, and Maniology MXM026. I've started off with Nailtiques Formula 2, and this is one of the one-step wonders, Wasa Be With You. I got this at the Dollar Tree for $1. So we're going to go in with our first coat of Wasa Be With You, and this one, it truly is the color of the wasabi paste like you see at the all-you-can-eat Chinese food places, or, you know, places that have sushi rolls and stuff. It's not green, not yellow. It's kind of in between. Here we go with our second coat. I love the brush on this. I think it's one of my favorite kinds, one of those kind of like paddle brushes, and it's not too wide. And I could have got away with 2 coats if I didn't like overwork it and run a streak through it. So here we're doing a 3rd coat due to human error. I'm going to top it with the Pro FX Quick Dry Top Coat. I'm going to seal this one down so that we can do some serious playing today. My video is going to be a little bit longer because we've got extra steps. Yay! I'm going to cap my free edge here. I was excited about wearing this color. So here is Wasa Be With You. And now we're going to go in with the Sista Chic Carnival, and this was in her last collection. And, ooh-wee, I'm excited to see it over this color. Oh, yes. Stunning. Oh, my goodness. Such a blingy yumminess. And this is Maniology MXM026. Lord, I don't know. I said something about it earlier. And it's got all the unicorn stuff. This was in my last box that I got. I watched a couple of other channels, and they're not, like, totally sold on this plate. Guyleen and Julie. So, let's see if we can make it work. This is Buttercup, and the stamping polish was Unicorn Horn. So I'm not going to diss it, and I'm not dissing the girls for dissing. And they didn't really diss. They were just, it wasn't their thing. And I can see that. I'm not like a humongous unicorn person, but I do like them. Hi, Cotton. So I'm going to stamp out a couple of images, and I'm going to do some, you know, advanced stamping. I'm going to fill those images in with the other color. And I'm going to do some regular stamping today, too. Just a little bit of all of it. I am using that little piece of tape to get up the excess. And I was going to try to get all fancy with this, but the image is so little that I knew I wasn't going to be able to pull it off. So I just decided to fill the whole image in with the same color, the Buttercup. I am using my Robin Moses the Wand. It's working out pretty good. There we go. We're trying to clean this one up a little bit. Excuse me. I have a frog in my throat, y'all. Say sinuses. 103 degrees and having sinus issues. So here we go. We're just filling this in. And I really did like this image with the little flowers down at the bottom. I thought that was really cute. And see, I'm leaving them because I'm thinking I'm going to do something else. Nope. I decided I'm just going to fill it in with the same color. Just try to keep it a little more simple. They say advanced stamping. They don't say, you know, like supernova advanced stamping. So we're not going to go supernova on it today. We're just going to do the best we can. And here's the other image. I'm going to do the same with it. And, you know, I get my box later in the month, so I don't really do like an unboxing or a nail mail video on it. I've just given up, and I've just decided I'll use them as soon as I can after I get them in, and that way, you know, you can see what I do with it, because, you know, the polishes will be released later, and I believe if you are I don't know, yeah, I think it's the polishes. The plates are kind of one deal done, but you know, if you have any kind of unicorn or horsey images, you know, you could pretty much do this. It doesn't have to be this exact plate. So I decided I'm just going to do some of these images just in the purple over my other nails that aren't going to get the decals. And that looked pretty good. Cleaning off that stamper on a lip roller. And I'm going to clean that plate with some pure acetone. Excuse me, y'all. This is just horrible. Can't get through a voiceover without having issues. And here we go with the little moon and the like clouds. I really like this one. Awesome. And then I really liked this image. I know it's very simple. Super duper simple. But I could see me using that like in multiple colors and do multiple stampings. And I really like it. I think it's really nice. Because I couldn't draw a straight line like that. And I'm going to be covering everything with the smudge-free top coat. Well, I'm going to cover these nails that I've stamped straight up with the smudge-free real quick. And then I'm going to get out my Get a Grip by Vibrant Vinyls. And I'm going to put a layer of that on to make sure that my decal transfers over to the nail and sticks good. You know, nothing makes me crazier than trying to go to all this trouble and then go to try to put it on there and it won't stick. So I'm going to line this one up and stamp it down on there. Tap it down. And these are really hard to see on camera, but hopefully you'll see them on my swatch photos. And I've got a stinking hair that was in the decal. It's down at the bottom. It's up at the top. Oh, are you kidding? So I get it out of there, and I'm going to top those two with some of the Maniology smudge-free top coat. Because this wasn't part of the original image, so it needs some smudge-free. Now you can kind of see them. And now that that's dry, I'm going to cover them up with some of the Moonshine Minis Let's Go top coat. I really do like this top coat. I'm going to have to invest in a bottle of her new formulation of it, so I can give that a whirl, but I really like this. And everybody keeps saying she's sold out, but when I go to the last call or type in last call while I'm on her page, it'll pull up the unscented bottle for $3.50. Excellent deal. Having my free edge there. Here we go. Hi, Woody. How you doing? I hadn't seen Woody in a bit. There he is. So here is my Mani in motion. A little hard to see. I have a swatch photo. Hopefully you can see it better. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think about this Mani. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.